Que paso amigos, John's Moto Garage, welcome to the channel. I'm actually just getting back from a ride, but I'm going to do my intro now that I know what happened on my ride. So I was out riding, and let's just say this little guy right here happened. As you can see, this is totally destroyed, man. The bike is done for, it's totally gone. So you'll have to stay tuned to see what happened. And dang it, I even got this scuffed up. My neighbor must think I'm totally a crazy lunatic. Just kidding. Yeah, so that got thrashed, this got thrashed. Anyway, stay tuned to see what happened. Did I lay the bike down dodging a car? Maybe, maybe not. Did I run into somebody? Did I run over a rabbit? Did I run over a coyote? Was I being a complete idiot and somehow I actually ended up dropping the bike? I don't know. Stay tuned to find out. And of course, if you dig the content, be sure to like and subscribe. You can hit me on Instagram at John's Moto Garage. Big shout out to the patrons. You can support the channel that way as well. Link below. Without further preamble, let's jump into it. Exploring Arizona on the SuperMoto and doing stupid stuff. Enjoy. No, shut down, bro. Denied. Last time I came here, this was like wide open. There's got to be another way to get in here, though. Until you fall into it. Woo. Bam, bingo bango, bro, there it is. Today's my lucky day, man. Now the question is though, how do we make our way down into that? Because that looks pretty sketch. Oh, this is much sketchier than I anticipated. Hey, there we go. Last time I came down here, it was just amazing. I couldn't figure out, like, how does this crap get down here? Like, somebody has to come down here and, like, dump it off here. Like, who says that's okay? You know what I mean? Like, who's like, hey, where can I dump all this garbage? Oh, there's a pit off the I-10. Just go dump it over there. Just, it's bizarre. Oh, that rabbit scared me. Oh, that's rabbit. Man, this place is so grown over, bro. Because last time I was out here, there were like coyotes starting to circle around me. There used to be a lot of homeless people out here. Ooh, that's sketch. Dang it, man. It's really like they're trying to keep people out. All this water down here kind of prevents you from getting up to there. The alternative is if I can make my way up here. Oh. See how soft this dirt is? Ah, dude, the SuperMoto, man. Whenever you're like kind of getting bored in life, you feel like you need some more adventure, get yourself a SuperMoto and you get yourself into some pickles. Oh, jeez. There we go, there we go. Whoop. Oh, the sand is horrible. Oh. Slower, yikes. Oh, the sand is horrible. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, the bike stalled right at the perfect spot. Had the bike not stalled, I would have been okay. But oh no. Slowly making my way into that water. Oh my gosh, dude. Stupid. That's obviously the worst of it here, but it's pathetic, bro. Pathetic. Well, we made it, you guys. This is where I was trying to get to. Fortunately, the bike is still okay, but yeah, I totally thrashed that front brake lever. Man, all that work for this. I sure hope it was worth it. Huh. Looks like there may be a homeless camp out here. Whew. Oh my gosh, you guys. That's our exit right there. Careful for the sand. Hey, live and learn, man. When I could have just come through here this whole time. Oh, I didn't mean to. Seems like a cool dude. I didn't realize people were living down here. So that's how I came down, and that was quite sketchy indeed. Coming down through there. I don't think I feel too confident going back up that. Yeah, but that's the other side. Looks like there's a trail that goes back here. Let's check this out. I don't think that's gonna get me where I'm looking to go. I need to get back up to that road up there. I stalled the bike right at a crucial point. I'm not gonna say I stalled it. The bike chose to stall itself at a crucial spot, and that was very sketch. This has got to be unlocked, dude. Oh, son of a gun. Next question is... Oh, here we go. Bam. See, you guys, where there's a will, there's always a way. Bam. Here we go. And not only that, but they conveniently put a bridge right here for us. Now, where this leads to, I have no idea. Beautiful. It's like it was meant to be, you guys. We did it. Awesome, like nothing ever happened. What's up, you guys? John's Moto Garage. Welcome to the channel. Today we're just doing some exploring. I got myself into a bit of a pickle going back to one of my old stomping ground spots, and so I'm going to share with you guys today the well, yeah, what happened. Let's just say that was a little bit sketchy. As always, if you guys dig the content, be sure to like and subscribe. You can hit me up on Instagram at John's Moto Garage, and you can also support the channel through Patreon. Come on, dude, open up. Oh, Alright, so there you have it, you guys. That was it, man. I know what you were thinking. I probably laid it down, dodging a car or running over a rabbit or a coyote or something. There's no way that John would ever do something so stupid as, wait, what even happened there? So I was trying to get down that bank, the bike stalled, and I basically dropped the bike. Had to abort mission, and the bike just went and slid right down, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh my gosh, dude. Oh, the bike stalled right at the perfect spot. Oh man, it was tough. It was tough. And as per usual, my ego has been left out there on the ground to mend. I don't know if I'll ever get it back, but this can be repaired, you know. That's all just cosmetics. But the ego, man, the ego is what really takes the big hit. Oh man, another day in the life though, am I right? Anyway, there you have it, you guys. John's Moto Garage. Thank you all for the support. That's just a life lesson, right? Just when you think all hope is lost, you know, you find a way out. So yeah, don't give up, you guys. Don't give up. Ciao.